Freaking crazy face.
He changed his mind. He's guarding.
Come here, Zeke. Come on, Zeke. Come on, Zeke. Come on, Zeke.
Oh my god, look at them.
Oh.
Well, you can't duck. You dumbass.
He's a scared donkey.
Oh, look, he's got that. Whatever that is.
I think this one's afraid.
Oh, he's sliding.
Oh, that's too funny.
Yeah, he's got it. Baby. He changed his mind. Oh, no, baby.
Oh my god.
That is hilarious.
Go back up. Oh. That one's pushing. It's ready.
Oh.
As soon as one of them other ones step off, it's going down.
Get out of the way, Zeke. Oh.
He's going to guard the babies.
He does guard the babies. It's funny. Oh.
He herds them.
Okay.
He heard
They
them.
growl. That's what they do when they growl.
Oh.
Oh, like a fart.
That could have been this one.
at
This
them.
one
Look at
was
him pushing them up.
I know.
Like, you go. No, you go. No, you go.
Oh, now they're fighting.
Oh, nope.
Oh.
Oh my
That isn't
god.
the funniest home video. I don't know what it is. That's hilarious. And it's so cute. It should be on Animal Planet. Look at him.
Oh my god.
He's trying so hard. Shannon, go help him.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, look at these two fighting. Oh my gosh.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
Oh my god.
get off of her. There we go. Up.
Nope.
Not gonna happen. I'm trying.
They think they're mountain goats. They're trying to fight.
That's too cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Meh. Oh, oh. 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 They get to there and then they're like, I don't know
Push the
about
other board
this.
side down.
Oh, man, they're heavy. They're heavy.
Oh my word.
Oh, it's flying backwards.
Holy rip.
What?
Done.
Leap of faith.
Come on. Oh,
Oh.
They can't do it.
not enough juice. Come on. Oh. Level out. Come on. Come on.
What was that noise?
What are you doing? It's level out. Now they don't know what to do.
Oh.
That one's getting off or not?
Nope.
Looks like he's having a
Look at kick it down. Oh.
Oh, look at him.
The more you jump on, the harder this is for me, so
Oh.
level out.
Baby goats. So cute. Now what? You just gonna hold them there?
I don't know what to do.
Well, they're just like this. Now she got it stuck. Like, what gives, dude? Citrus is gonna be jealous.
No.